you have a girlfriend na athlete na talagang nakakagulong yung mga input niya.
Mahirap siya. Mahirap yung buhay ko kasi nakaka-pressure. Nakaka-pressure. Like, for example, girlfriend ko, fit. Tapos ako, dito sa Biggest Loser, Game Master, hindi ako magpapapit. Siyempre, nakaka-challenge din. Kaya naman, workout din ako.
Meron sa mga i-advise sa'yo na dapat ganito, ganito.
Ang dami ng pieces of advice. Nahihiya na nga ako kasi mas trainer pa nga siya kaysa sa girlfriend sa akin. Oo. Sabi niya, hindi ganyan, magbuhat ng weights. Sabi ko, paano ba ako? Ikaw nga buhat.
Pressure sa'yo na si Mateo para mag-athletic.
At first, yes. Yes. I have to say until now, medyo mahirap siyang tapatan kasi palagi sa araw-araw siyang training, very, very athletic. And I have to say, the guy deserves everything that he's having right now because he's really good in what he's doing. And na-realize ko na lang na at some point, hindi naman siya tungkol sa pagpakompete mo eh. It's about our working dynamic. And being with Mateo, it's really, really fun. Kasi at least ngayon, ma-experience ko bagong partner, may bagong daming kalokohan na pwede niyang i-share, and ang dami ng secrets na pwede niyang sabihin sa akin.
Pero Robbie,
On and off cam.
parang yung ibigay na sa'yo ng ABS-CBN ang pagiging host talaga after I Dare You, The Voice, tapos diba after ito may PBB na naman. Ito na, isa na ganap talaga na host. What can you say sa mga natatanggap mo na?
Well, I'm just really flattered with everything, with everyone. I've been wanting this
Yeah, I
badly.
remember.
I've been really craving for this one. I've been pleading to the bosses. But I guess gusto kong sabihin din na pinapaghirapan ko pa naman hanggang ngayon. Hindi ko pa sinasabi na tapos na pinaghirapan ko kasi ang dami pang pwedeng matutunan. Ang dami kong pwedeng matutunan, ang dami kong pwedeng gawin. And the journey for me doesn't stop here. It will continue as far as, you know, the heaven. So, very, very thankful talaga ako sa ABS-CBN management for entrusting this to me. Kasi akala ko dati na kinakabahan ako. Me, Biggest Loser? Diba? I just have that story, but I don't have that push para maging game master. But you know, they told me na hindi, kaya mo yan. We need you because of your story. We need you because you can motivate people. We need you because you can talk, you can listen, and that's why I'm here.
You always put on a hosting job. Kumagaya na ba yung gusto mo talagang forte na tahakin? Or pagka medyo may chance gusto mo pa rin i-try yung acting or movie or a teleserye? Try mo na rin before?
Yes, I am not closing my doors to the acting scene, but I'm more open. The doors the gates are really, really open for hosting skits. Kasi that's what I love doing. I just love listening and talking to people, you know, relating to them, getting their emotions, sometimes playing with them, playing their emotions na kailangan mong paiyakin yan, kailangan mong kunin yung story niyan. And the best part is, I have to share it with you guys. Kasi there are lots of stories out there na kailangan malaman nyo.
This is different sa'yo, di ba? Kumaga ano pinagkaiba nitong hosting job mo na to sa ibang mga hosting pageant or kung ano man. For ito sa being a game master, challenger.
Kasi, sige, compare na natin. PBB, it's a reality show where you have to observe people and talk about them. The Voice, it's about singing and tapping the potential of the contestants. Here, you can't really do anything except motivate them and see real results. Hindi mo matadaya yung taong sobrang inatake na sa puso, puno-puno na yung taba, tapos malalaman mo na lang after some months, wala na yung kondisyon niya na yun. Okay na siya. It's really heartwarming and very heartfelt yung mga moments ko with them kasi nakakonekta ako sa kanila eh. Dati, parang lagi sinasabi sa kanila, dati akong ganyan. And you have been on this journey for so long, pero malayo pa yung pupuntahan mo. And at the finish line, us 5, including the whole Philippines, will be
Do you
there.
consider this as the most challenging hosting job din? Kasi
Yes.
parang ano di ba? Kakaiba to parang ganun.
Challenging job, yes. Kasi I've never told anyone to do something na, okay, kunin mo to, tapos puntahin mo dun. Parang naglalaro ka lang. As a game master, you're just playing. But on the other side, on the serious side, tinutulungan mo sila, minomotivate mo pa sila, kinoconsolidate mo sila na, okay, guys, hindi dyan nagtatapos yung buhay nyo. You empathize with them. You not just look down on them or just look at them, but you really get their emotions and tell them that there's a long way to go, but I'll be there with you. You don't have to worry.